Today we will learn the second consonant in Khmer language, which is Kho. To write this Kho, we write like this. Start from the top here, up, down. Yes. And the sound in English, it would be Kho like this. It's different from the first letter that we learned, Ko. This is very clear sound. Very clear. And this one is Kho. We use a little bit of the tongue to make some with the sound of this. So this is Ko, and this one is Kho. Ko, Kho, Ko, Kho. Can you find the difference? So now we will learn how to pronounce this word, the consonant Kho combined with the 23 vowel. Repeat after me. Kho, Kha, Khe, Khẩy, Khợ, Khở, Khẩu, Khẩu, Khúa, Khở, Khứa, Khía, Khế, Khái, Kháy, Khảo, Khẩu, Khổng, Khóm, Khắm, Khá, Khẩu, Khế, Khọ. Now pause this video and then write all these words into your notebook. Then when you come back, we will read this again. So now repeat after me. Khỏ, Khá, Khẽ, Khẩy, Khợ, Khở, Khẩu, Khổ, Khúa, Khở, Khứa, Khía, Khế, Khái, Khải, Khảo, Khở, Khổng, Khóm, Khắm, Khá, Khẩu, Khế, Khọ. This is when it made into word. This word has the meaning, however, we will not going to care about it for now. We just learn how to pronounce this word. So, repeat after me. Khải, Khảo, Khóm, Khắm, Khúa, Khát cò, Cái khày, Cái khát cò. We will learn two words today. Khải, we write this word like this. Khải, which means the moon. And Khảo, which means short. That's all for today. Thank you. See you tomorrow.